If your brows melt off by lunchtime, this video is for you.
Heat, sweat, sunscreen, and oily skin can break down makeup faster than you think. Today I'm going to show you how to do the sandwich method to keep your brows on no matter what's going on. Let's dive straight in. We are starting over our skincare and sunscreen. I'm applying a generous amount of the face glue setting spray. On top of that goes my foundation. Now we're just using everyday products today, no hero products. And I'll put the full list in the description along with a couple of hero products if you want to check that out. Now we're going right back in with that same setting spray on our damp sponge. Press it on, don't swipe. If you swipe, it will remove your foundation. Now for those who do not like setting spray, we will use a setting powder instead. Any place I use the setting spray, you would use the setting powder. I like this one. It's affordable. It is sweat proof, smudge proof, and it is up to 16-hour wear. So I'm just going to take a little bit of this and distribute it into the velour puff so that it goes on nice and thin and even, and then press it over my brow. And then once that's pressed in, you're ready to do your brows, however you normally do them. For me, I'm generally using a water-resistant pomade and a stencil kit. I've got a whole video on how I do my brows. If you haven't seen that, I'll put the link in the description. Then back to that sandwich method, a couple of squirts, and then we're going to press it once, twice, 3 times, overlapping a little bit, and then let it dry. You don't want to swipe at all, or it's going to remove makeup.
Don't fiddle with it. Let it dry.
And of course, alternatively, if you don't like the setting spray, use the setting powder. Same thing, except you don't have to wait for it to dry. And then for those who wear a brow gel, now would be the time to put that on. These hold your brows in place, and the one that I'm using actually adds a little color too. Of course, you want to make sure that you're using a water-resistant, long-lasting formula.
These are not going anywhere. Now I can sweat, I can sit poolside and get splashed. I can actually swim for a few minutes underwater. But the key is, if you're going to dip in the pool with brows like this, you want to make sure that when you get out, you're blotting your face. The minute you start rubbing, makeup is not rub proof. It might be sweat proof and waterproof, but never rub proof. Blot your face with a towel and everything should stay pretty well in place. The products that I used in this video are listed in the description, as well as my new brow fix. Make sure to check that out. I hope you all have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next video.